Remove J5 cover left using your hand. Remove endless belt using your hand. Remove GT260 teeth pulleys using your hand. Remove stepper shaft using your hand. Remove flange square shaft using your hand. Remove welding head using your hand. Remove J5 cover right using your hand. Remove GT260 teeth pulley using your hand. Remove J5 step arm left using your hand. Remove J5 step right using your hand. Remove NEMA 17 stepper .074 using your hand. Remove endless belt 2 using your hand. Remove GT260 teeth pulley using your hand. Remove J5 using your hand. Remove J4 using your hand. Remove NEMA 17 motor mount steel bracket .002 using your hand. Remove GT260 teeth pulley X1 using your hand. Remove NEMA 17 stepper .011 using your hand. Remove J2 spindle main using your hand. Remove J2 arm middle using your hand. Remove J2 arm middle cover using your hand. Remove arm middle NEMA stepper using your hand. Remove NEMA using your hand. Remove NEMA using your hand. Remove J2 support right using your hand. Remove NEMA planetary X2 using your hand. Remove J2 turret main using your hand. Remove J1 platform main using your hand. Remove housing main using your hand. Remove NEMA 17 stepper planetary using your hand. Remove stepper motor using your hand. Remove J1 shaft main using your hand. Remove J2 using your hand. Remove base platform using your hand. Remove pulley X0 using your hand. Remove 17 stepper using your hand. Remove ER shaft .001 using your hand.